Hi, good morning po sa inyong lahat. It's 8:45 in the morning and it's Friday, so meaning to say it's my yoga time. So I'm on my way po sa yoga. So right now, I'm gonna prepare something before I leave. Yan po. Naka-outfit na po ako pang yoga. So, may isi-share lang po ako sa inyo. I know it's been a long time na hindi pa ako nakapag-upload. Dahil nga po, a little bit busy with something po. Yan po. Background ko po yan. Oh. Napakain ko na yung fish ko. So, ito po yung morning routine ko in the morning. Pagising ko, yan. I have to do my devotion. Kaya nandyan yung devotion ko po. Bible. And then my laptop for the Zoom. Every time I have a prayer po. And then, of course, that includes my, my intake na fluid and pagkain. Kaya nandyan po yung barley. So, I'm introducing myself again. I'm a distributor po ng barley product. Ayan, marami po is ready to deliver na po yan. Kaya nakalagay na sa bag. Okay, so I have an offer now na it's buy 5, take 1 free. It's $30 each. Okay, so okay po. Ready ko lang po kasi later on may gagawin po ako. So, before I leave, ito po, I have to prepare. Hindi pa po ako nag-breakfast. This is what I do. Before mag-breakfast, nag-yoga muna kasi ako pag Friday. But before I do that in the morning, ayan po, oh. Yan. Kasi po, maraming benefit itong barley to. Na kahit hindi ka good for diet din kasi yan, 1 glass. Siyempre tapon natin. Oops, mayroon pa pala. Ito po, dadalhin ko kasi yan sa yoga, kaya nakaprepare. Ginawa ko na yan kanina. Okay, so ayan, may garbage ako, puro barley. So, I'll put up water. Yan. Lagay ko po yan sa oops. Mahirap maghumawak ng yan. Yan po. Put water. Yan. And then, glass po yan. I-inumin po yan before ay yan. Social pa yung baso ko. Ayan. Ang kagandahan po nito, the difference between this barley na ginagamit ko, carry ko po ang lasa. Not unlike some barley po. No, I'm just telling the truth. Medyo hindi ko carry yung lasa niya kasi medyo mapakla. Kaya some people, they don't want. Siyempre, it's a vegetable thing. Ang isang glass of water that compares of 1 plate of vegetable po. Okay, that's a fact. Kaya po, kung may mga anak kayo, may mga asawa kayo that they don't eat vegetable, painumin nyo na lang po ng ganito. Ito, I drink this before, sa morning po. Before breakfast, or before I eat things. Iniinom ko yan. Mamayang gabi po, before I eat my dinner, yan, iinom po yan. Dahil po, lalabas ako, yan. Yan. So, magdadala po ako kasi pupunta ako ng out of town. So, better for me to bring this. dadalhin ko po ito. Mamaya ko na ko dalhin. So, ito po. Inumin po natin yan. Okay. Let's see. Yes. Ito po. Yummy. It look like, the colors look like avocado. See po. Masarap. Masarap siya. Hindi yun ibang, sabi nung iba mapakla. So for sure, kung may mga anak kayo, may mga bata, they don't want, they don't mind na drink to. So ayan, kalahati na agad. So kasi kung mapakla to, hindi ko may straight. Of course, I have to drink it little by little. This one helps me a lot. Since po na, it's been like a year pa lang siguro na umiinom ako. Para bang in the morning po, malinis ang aking stomach. Automatically, I go to the bathroom right away. And then after that, hindi siya bloated. Parang hindi siya yung bloated yung stomach mo. And even though I eat, kahit small amount pa lang ang kinakain ko, I feel like busog na ako because of this. So, every day, kung hindi man po tayo nakakakain ng complete nutrition, kasi we're busy, di ba, sa trabaho natin, we rush, hindi na natin minsan naaasikaso, kaya most of the time, especially here in South America, na busy ang tao, so they will drink food. So, all you have to do is just drink this. Okay? Kasi complete nutrients. Sandali po because it's almost 10 to 9. Malapit na po akong umalis. I have to drink this first. Okay. 3 shots lang. Good. Delicious po. Okay, so tapos na po yan. Lagay ko lang siya dito sa sink. Okay. So, ready na po ako umalis. Kailangan pong later on, I'm going out of town. Manonood po ako ng baseball. So, I just want to make sure na, tingnan mo, very convenient na dalhin. Magdadala siguro ako ng dala ko ng 2-pack. Oh, yan. Madali yan, no? See? Yan ang kagandahan yan. Easy access. Yan. Dala ko ng 2-pack. Tapos, dahil pupunta ako ng somewhere. So, magdala po ako. Lagay ko po dito sa luggage ko. Yan ang kagandahan nito. Kasi, hindi mo mamimiss. You can that's for later. Baka kasi makalimutan ko. Right now, pupunta muna ako sa aking yoga. Ayan. Kunin ko yung gamit ko. And of course, ito, lagay ko lang muna dyan. Okay. And of course, instead po, di ko naman po sinasabi na you don't drink water. But I have water in my car. So, yan po, dadali natin yan sa yoga. At, kagandahan lang dito. Hindi ko mailagay. Kasi isang kamay lang. Sandali lang po. Okay. Yan. Ito po. Sandali. Ayan. I need 2 hands. Sandali lang po. This is my yoga mat. I need 2 hands. Kasi gusto ko siya here. Hindi siya kasya. Kasi, yun. See? Ayan. Ayan. See? Yeah. See? I have my yoga mat. Okay. And I have my barley po. Okay. Ayan. So, I'm ready to go. Easy access po. Ayan. Lagay ko lang po yan. Go na ako. Go na po ako. Okay. I'm already 63 years old. But, I don't know. Kasi, yeah, for the past few months then, after my husband passed away, talagang parang all I want to do is just sleep. Sleep lang ako. Higa, watch TV lang. Though, hindi naman ako pagod physically, but I feel I'm pagod kasi nga, I don't know, kasi siyempre I'm sad. Namimiss ko yung asawa ko kasi especially na iniwan na niya ako, went to heaven. Kaya, ayun po. But, nung nag-start uli ako ng barley, parang yung energy ko bumalik siya kasi thanks nga kay sa JC Barley, si Eliezer and Angie na sila ang nag-back up sa akin kasi I don't know anything about this one. So what I did, talagang naging consumer ako until the time na na-notice ko. Until the time po, nag-uumpisa pa lang ako na pasensya na pa ko yung hair ko. Na nag-uumpisa pa lang po ako. So, pero the difference is, every time I got up in the morning, of course, with the help of our Lord Jesus Christ, na siya po ang nagbibigay sa akin ng kalakasan. At the same time po, physically, parang I feel nabuboost ang aking physical. Para ba akong laging parang energetic, hindi parang lagi. It's energetic po ako. So, right now po, I can, every Monday, I go to Zumba. Nagsusumba ako. So, I still have that physical. And then, Friday, I go yoga. And then, every day, I do exercise din po. After my devotion, I do exercise. So, sa mga nakakakilala sa akin, this is one of the reason. And then, yun nga po, kasi one na ginagawa ko noon madalas because of my sadness or loneliness siguro, madalas akong yung bang I eat, I sit down, I watch TV and I eat. Para ba akong nagugutom na hindi ko malaman. Nag-crave ako kahit ano-ano na lang kinakain. But since I got back na uminom ako ng barley, talagang nasa ano lang ako, breakfast, lunch, and then dinner. Kasi even though I try myself na mag-prepare ng maraming pagkain, nakakainin ko, minsan hindi ko yun nakakain, mga kalahati lang. Kasi I feel busog eh. Yung parang mabilis ako mabusog. And at the same time, hindi ako nagugutom. And at the same time, hindi ako nanghihina. It's all because of what? It's all of this po. Yan. Kaya po, okay. So, I guarantee you, so if you're interested, of course, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-share ng something kung hindi natin na-experience, right? So, kaya, encourage nyo, wala pong masama na mag-try, di ba? And besides, itong company na it's a legit, it's from New Zealand. Kaya, I know there's a lot. But sometimes, yun isa, sinasabi nila, it's a bit expensive. Kasi nga, it's the quality, it's the quantity po. Talagang legit po siya sila. So, I know you can buy it somewhere. Madali naman eh. Pero dito po, ang guarantee you, may guarantee. So, iyan lang po. Kasi yan lang ang kailangan natin is the trust. Ang guarantee ko po, it's legit na, and you will see the result lang. So, samahan niyo po ako. I'm on my way to my Zumba na. Alis na po ako. Okay? So, I have to turn off my light. Okay, I'll see you later. Ayan. Ito po ang content ko. Content ko ngayon. Araw na to. Okay. So, turn to. Oops. Turn off ko lang yung ilaw. Because, do I forget something? Wala naman siguro. I have my key. Okay. Ayan po. Share ko lang. Oh, ayan si ano. Ayan ang aking kay Airwell yan po. So, on my way out na po ako. Pasensya na po kayo. Medyo nag-rush ako kanina kaya hindi ko naayos yung aking hair. Yan. Yan ang outside ano namin. Oh, may nagdilig na. Yan ang backyard namin. So, alis na po ako. Naka-slippers lang ako. Yoga, diba? Slippers lang ako kasi yoga eh. I'll just gonna check my car. The tires is good. Okay. So, open ko lang po. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. There's my yoga bag. And there's my organic barley. Okay. So, alis na po ako. So, I'll see you po later. So, bye for now po, okay? God bless everyone. God for now. And see you later. Okay, when I get back to the yoga place. Bye.